I feel like before I get into this video, I feel like I should already like just say this, because I feel like if I don't, you guys are gonna get on me. So I just want to say that this is not my method, okay? I just want to try this method out because I have been requested to do this to see if it works for straight hair wavers, okay? So Poppy Blasted, as you guys could tell, PB the GOAT, as also known as, came out with the video called, I think it's the Lay and Shine Method, okay? And he uses these two products right here, okay? He uses these two products right here. It's his Goat Drip Moisturizer. Oh, no, actually, he didn't use this one, but he talked about it, you know, just mentioning that he had it. But he really just used his Goat Drip Butter, okay? Poppy Blasted, he used his Goat Drip Butter in this video for his Lay and Shine Method. And when a couple of my subscribers saw that I had Poppy Blasted's products, they were like, can you make a video on his Lay and Shine Method? Because they want to see and if they can do his Lay and Shine Method without a straight hair waver losing his progress. Now me personally, I've never done his method of the Lay and Shine. You know, I've always had my own and I've just stuck with it. But after I did my shine, I was like, why not do his? You know, because they've been asking for it for quite a while, and I was like, let me do it real quick. So like I said, this is not my method. This is PB's method of his Lay and Shine method with his Goat Drip Butter. And look, we just gonna follow every single one of his steps. We're gonna do it exactly how he says in his video on how to do it. So you guys already know. Let's waste no more time and let's get into this video right now. Alright, so let's just get into the first thing that we are going to need. Alright, so PB, what's the first thing we gonna need, man?
Alright, so obviously you want to brush your hair.
Alright, let's get to brushing. Right now I got my medium Torino curve brush. You already know I'm part of the curve gang. I only like curve brushes. Alright, I only like curve brushes. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go in with this medium curve Torino. Alright, we got our whole little session in now. Got my waves pretty, you know, laid down pretty good, you know. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, I have not used any products. You know, I washed my hair 2 days ago. Usually I like to, you know, wait to put products in because I like getting the depth in my waves without products. You know, as you guys can see, I'm pretty, you know, I'm wavy right now. I got the depth, you know, I'm working on some connections, some forks that I got in my waves, but trust me, I'm gonna be flawless pretty soon. But alright PB, what's the next step after we brush our hair? What's next?
So after that, you just use your hands. After you use the medium, use your hands.
Alright, I think that's good enough, alright? Alright, now that we do that, alright, what's next? What's next?
So you grab your butter, right? Boom. We don't get that much. We don't just get that about that much, alright?
Alright, so we got the little dab. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna rub this in. Alright. I'm pretty sure we just apply it now.
Use your lay down G.
Alright, so I believe that is the end of his method, the shine and lay method. And as you guys can see, my waves is laid. My waves is laid. Like, look at this. Waves laid, man. Now I'm laid, alright? But, again, if you're a straight hair waver, right? And you wanted me to make this video, I recommend, okay? Now I recommend. Now it doesn't have to. You don't have to. Okay. For some reason, straight hair wavers our lineup. You know, it just because our hair is curling up and it curls up our lineup, and that's why we really can't get those nice straight, you know, defined lineups. I recommend either you go ahead and you brush that sucker down like that or something. Do something with it. Do something with it, cause it's bad. Okay. And or okay, when you put in the butter, alright, when you put in the butter and you get it all in your head or whatever, instead of doing the plastic bag first, brush it in real quick. You know what I'm saying? Just brush it in really quick, and then, you know, use the lay down G. Or I don't have a lay down G. I don't have a wave glider. Get your plastic bag and you go ahead and you lay it all down. And then you'll be it'll look good. I mean, don't get me wrong, it still look good right now. You know what I'm saying? It still look good. All right, I'm still laid down. My waves are shining. You know, so don't get me wrong, it still looks good. But you know, it will look better. Okay, it will look better if you know just go ahead and brush it in first. I don't know why for coarse and maybe medium texture, it might just work just to go ahead and just use, you know, the plastic bag like he does. But I recommend if you're, you know, if you're a straight hair waver, you know, your hair starts to clip, your waves start to clip together a little bit. So when you brush it in, you know, it'll, you know, divide it in evenly, you know what I'm saying? And it won't look like that. And then it'll have you in that better shine. You know what I'm saying? It'll have that better shine your waves won't look weird. You know what I'm saying? So if you do that, you go ahead and you brush all that in real quick. Now look at it. It'll look just a tad bit more, you know, natural with the shine. You know what I'm saying? That's just in my opinion. You know, just if you want to do it and you're a straight hair waver, if you're a medium or coarse, that'll probably work for you. But if you're a straight hair waver, you might have to brush it in real quick. You know what I'm saying? And then you'll look pretty good. Like I said, I love the PB, the Goat Drip butters, and the Goat Drip moisturizers. I just feel like it gives good moisture and good shine with the butter too when you use it. So that's why I recommend using it. I mean, like I said, it is $50 just for both. It's $30 if you want one. I will leave the link down in the description below if you guys want to go, you know, check that out. If you guys want to go purchase this so you guys can do this method and have your waves shining like me, if you know what I'm saying. I mean, just look at these waves though, you know. But enough said, you know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video. You know what I'm saying? I just love seeing the thumbs up and the extra subscribers when I check out my channel and I'm looking at it and different things like that. But you know, just help me out. I'm out here helping y'all. Y'all gonna help me out, okay? Just help me out, all right? You know what? You might as well just hit the notification bell when you hit the subscribe button, because who wouldn't want to be notified when I'm dropping a new video? I mean, like, because you guys already know I'm dropping straight fire videos, and you know, I'm gonna keep dropping straight fire videos for you guys. But hey, just stay wavy, guys. Stay wavy, stay motivated when it comes to these waves. Just trust the process. Trust the process, all right? But I mean, the thing is though, is that it's 360 Woods, and I'm out.